VCE VM is an alternative to VCE. We're running a modified version of Vocational Major, which has a focus on job readiness. So our students complete their VCE VM studies at the same time as earning a Certificate 2 in Construction Pathways.
I enjoy doing all the different trades we get to do, like joinery, bricklaying, tiling. It's all good and it's a good experience to get.
What I enjoy most is getting the hands-on experience that I could have never got just sitting in a classroom. It's a great stepping stone if you're looking to go into the trades department. It really helps you move along the way.
Currently we're running tiling, plastering, painting, bricklaying and joinery.
I feel quite confident. I feel like I've achieved a fair bit from the trades that I've done, and I reckon people will be able to see that.
I feel like the practical work is useful, but also some of the non-practical work is also good. I would recommend it if you want to do trades but you also want to do school. It's a great way to learn both at the same time.
If you are looking to go into the trades, Holmesglen is definitely the best facility for it. The teachers are really nice, they care about you, and the facilities are just amazing.